guys, we're just gonna go ahead and jump on into the video. So I went ahead and put the bundles in a the wig in a plastic little cap, so the conditioner can seep in there just to get all that dryness that the bleach caused. And I just finished washing my hair. I'm actually going to go through my hair with the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. This is actually what's been growing my hair, that and the products that I use. When I actually get to coloring my hair, I'm actually going to show you guys everything that I use. So yeah. Evenly put this over my head just for protection, knowing that I'm not going to be able to put it in my head going forward. So especially while I got this wig on. So yeah. Next, we're going to go ahead and detangle. I love this detangling brush. I actually got this from Amazon, and it's been a miracle worker, especially for my natural girls. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and style. Well, pretty much I'm going to braid my hair down. I use Eco styling gel. Normally I would use the one with the flaxseed oil. And I forgot it's another one. But whatever. I can't remember the brand right now. But yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and for me, you don't have to use this. I use it for me because it works and it helps better, especially when it comes to braiding my hair down. I cannot braid especially with nails. So my braids, y'all gonna get what y'all get and figure it out. Okay guys, so my braids actually did not turn out ugly. My boyfriend has been on the phone with me this whole time, and he actually said they were cute. So I had to actually see them, and they actually turned out cute. Despite the little pieces that's out, I actually can do something with this. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my two ends of my braids down because my hair grows extremely fast with two little rubber bands. You don't have to use rubber bands if you don't want to. If you know how to braid, go ahead, knock yourself out. The products that we'll be using is Got to Be Glued spray and my Weave Wonder Moroccan oil. So now that I've molded everything down, oh, and my Miracle Edges by Kaleidoscopes. So now that I've molded it down with my Eco styling gel, I'm actually going to go in with my edge control with Kaleidoscope brands. I actually do not have my Got to Be Glued gel that holds my edges down, so I had to figure it out and make shit work. But I found a alternative, so this will actually probably help with you ladies. Once we go ahead and basically make sure you brush all your edges back. Make sure you do not leave any strands, no pieces of hair out. Brush all that shit back, like all of that back, all of that. And then next, we're going to grab our popsicle sticks. You only need one. I get two because mine are small. We're going to take the, pretty much this is what they use as a protecting from hair glue when you use quick weaves. And it actually works amazing. You can actually use this for your frontals as well, ladies. Don't say I never tell you nothing. So what I do is go around my perimeter and just spray little dots. And we're just going to pretty much smooth that in and make sure we got it cute and let it dry. before you do your got to be glued, go ahead and go through here and let this shit dry and make that shit shake. Alright, so I done took my girl out of the little plastic baggie. She feels like herself. So we're gonna go in through with the blow dryer. Make sure she's all dry and flowing before I get to doing my thing, because I'm a perfectionist. I want every piece of strand dry. So I took my time. Okay, so as you guys can see, my girl is back to normal. I'm taking my hand and running my fingers through my hair, which is something that I do with all my wigs, just to see how the shedding goes after. And as you guys can see, it is more shedding than what we originally saw when I did the first review. So this is always a good thing. Next, I am going to do a little bit of plucking. I did do some plucking the first time, but I kind of wanted to wait until she dried up because of the way this wig is set up. I don't want to over pluck, especially when you really don't have a lot of room. And then next, we're also going to flatten the wig with our flat iron as well. But first, like I said before, we're going to pluck this hairline, because as you can see, maybe it's just me being picky, but yeah. So one of the things that I do, even with my hair, after I've blown it out, I go through kind of maybe twice with a hot comb, just to get the little strands that maybe I missed, and make it easier. I'm also going to go through here with the She Bomb wax stick. Ladies, when I say this is a miracle worker, it will lay that hair, wig, edges, whatever, period. That's what it's going to do. It's going to give the girls what it's supposed to give. So once I've applied that to the top part of my closure, I'm going to take my, hot comb and kind of flatten the top before we go through with the flat iron. I was going to do bone straight. However, I got to thinking maybe she needs some curls, but I still want to flat iron it just so we can get into the detail. You guys see the color? It's kind of giving a fox. I didn't want to do too much with the color, just a little peaks of brown and everything in there, but it still has body, still flowing, all that good jazz. So now it's time to curl my girl up. And of course, I wanted to do a cute wand curl, make it real cute, make it hot. But for the most part, it came out really, really cute. And yes, I did burn myself. I don't even think I put the clip in here, which sucks because it was funny. But shoot, whatever. Recording, but I wasn't. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Got to Be glue spray. Make sure the free spray is completely dry before you go putting that wig on your head. I did go in with some makeup. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that. And I also use the light to medium color contour palette. Here, ladies, before you put your wig on, go ahead and make sure it's comfortable. Because one thing I do not like is a tight wig and an uncomfortable wig. But hey, if you want to rush, go ahead. And I also go through with a comb on my hairline, pressing it down, pretty much like the frontal method. And then I go back in with another layer of Got to Be glue free spray before I put my elastic band on. I also take out my baby hairs and then put my elastic band on before styling, as you guys can see here. Lord, I wish y'all could see how bad I struggled with that elastic band. Anywho, 3 products. You're going to need some mascara, a spoolie brush, and I also have a dark black lip liner. I actually go through my part with all 3 products. And then I also use my NYX concealer. Don't worry about that line pool because it's going to get fixed. But you want to take your time. As you can see, I keep going from the mirror to the camera because I just want my lines to be straight. But at the same time, I don't want to be too straight because I want it to look natural. And we all know black people don't know how to make no straight part unless, whatever. Y'all get my drift. Freaking honor. Do y'all see that? I don't even need to flatten it, but we still gonna flatten it. But do y'all see that part? Do y'all see the part? Matter of fact, freeze. Because what, girl? Who told you to lay that? Me. Ladies, now we're about to go in and cut our lace. I use a regular small little razor because I like to have like a natural hairline. Using scissors, I have known, basically don't make your line, they make your line too straight. You want it to be a little crooked. And then once you cut your lace, we're gonna go through and flatten our top with your I keep forgetting this thing, hot comb. Never mind the little black part. I actually burnt the tip of my brush, but whatever. Alright, y'all, so the wig came out great. Like I said, I'm really not a baby hair guru, so don't judge me when it comes to the baby hair. But overall, the hair actually turned out great. I was a little nervous because when I bleached it, it still had that little staticky feel to it. I'm looking for my top. I probably found it. But it still had that little staticky feel to it. But
Overall, after I conditioned it and washed it and everything, it turned out great. It is true to length. I'm standing on my tippy toes right now. I decided to do some curls. I am going to flexi rod it in the morning just to see what the girls are giving. Overall, hair is still soft. Quality is good. I hate the fact that it does shed more than what I anticipated it to be shedding for. However, for the most part, it's a good wig. I like it. So I'm going to do a update after I've worn it for a week, pretty much. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And good night.